Hey guys, so welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this brand new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Alright, so right here we have the brand new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. I did purchase this one directly from Verizon. Last year model 16 Pro Max, I did purchase that from the Apple Store, but I decided to do it from the Verizon store because it was in stock a lot faster than the Apple version. So this is the 17 Pro Max. This is the silver color. They did offer it in blue as well as orange. So right here you can see it's sleek, lightweight. They did do an upgrade to the camera in the back, but as far as the speakers on the bottom, the Type-C charging port are all the same. I like it because it's a little bit thinner than the previous model. This one here looks really nice. You got this little cutout for the back, and there is your action buttons. You got your volume up and down rocker. So this is the camera right here on the back. It does have a little higher bump than before, and the actual light is on the other side versus where the camera is, which it doesn't bother me at all. Then you have your little antenna on the top, this little cutout right here, making the phone feel a lot less heavier. Overall, this phone is super nice. You do get the wire in there. Unfortunately, again, you do not get the power brick, but I have a lot of solar panel bricks in here, so I don't have to worry about that. So let me go ahead and put my case on. So this is what it looks like in the front. I actually put my glass protector on over it to protect the screen. So now I'm just going to turn it on. I need to go get my case protector, making sure that I protect it from front to back. So we'll just wait for that to turn on. It does take about the same time as the previous model, so we're just waiting for it. So now this model right here, it automatically comes with the glass look. So the camera, when you look at the actual clock, it has got the glass look. Also right here it says welcome. So let me just put on my case. So this is what my case looks like, and I do have a glass protector on it. So this here runs and functions very smoothly. You can go in and out of applications with a touch of a button. It's super fast and very good responsive. If you're looking to upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I would definitely say it's a good one. I like the fact that the pictures come out a lot more clearer and it is less heavier. So I would definitely say if you're looking to upgrade, I would say do it. It's a great upgrade.